Hello everybody, my name's Annie. I'm a driving instructor and a driving instructor trainer, and I help people to pass theory tests with my online courses. If you want to pass a theory test, sign up for Theory Test Practice, which is a complete online revision resource. You can see it at www.theorytestpractice.online. You can see all my courses on there. But today I'm going to talk to you about and give you an easy way of understanding the difference between a single carriageway road and a dual carriageway road. I get asked this question a lot, so I want to make it really simple for you to understand. It is not to do with the amount of lanes. So a single carriageway road can have one or more lanes for traffic going in each direction. So between the traffic going up the road and traffic coming down the road, there's just lines painted on the road. Does that make sense? A dual carriageway road is the same thing. It can have one or more lanes going in each direction. But between the lanes isn't just a line, it's some kind of physical barrier. I'll show you what I mean. So see here in this picture, you can see there's a grass verge and there's a metal barrier between the traffic going up the road and traffic going down the road. So there's always going to be some kind of grass verge or fence. There may be an actual metal barrier. This is called the central reservation, the centre bit, the middle bit, the central reservation. So the difference between a single carriageway road and a dual carriageway road is the physical barrier that separates traffic going up the road and traffic coming down the road. Because single carriageways and dual carriageways can have one or more lanes. So that's the difference between a single carriageway and a dual carriageway road. If you want to know how to pass your theory test, if you want an easy way of studying and a method that includes fun things as well, like games that help you to learn your theory, then sign up for Theory Test Practice. Like I say, it's the complete online revision resource. You can email me at hello@theorytestpractice.online if you've got any questions.